Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So I had mentioned in my previous video that these next, I'm going to say 3 videos, the next 3 consecutive videos were going to be in relation to my year-end videos, but it's actually taking me a little bit longer to create those videos. As you can appreciate, I am analyzing and reviewing all of the products that I used over the past year, which is a lot. So I really like to give you an in-depth review and my most honest thoughts on the products. So those videos will still be coming out, but I didn't want to leave you guys without having any sort of video this weekend. So I actually got the idea for this video when I was watching Risa Does Makeup. I don't know if you guys are familiar with her channel. I'll stick a clip of what it looks like over here. So I love watching her content, but her most recent video that she did was she was using hero products. And I thought, you know what a great idea, because there are very specific products that I use either every day or several times a week, and they're always in my rotation. So I thought, why don't I create a video like that where you guys can see the products that I'm using, but it'll be more of a short and sweet type of video. So there's 6 products in total. 4 out of the 6 are actually skincare products. I'm of the mindset that I think, especially for mature women, it is so important to take care of our skin. I mean, really, that goes for any age. I think it's so important to be taking care of your skin, but especially as we are maturing, our skin needs are different. And I truly believe if you're not taking care of your skin, whatever products you go to now apply to your face just aren't going to look as good. So I think taking care of your skin is so vitally important. I have also tried to keep this affordable. So there, out of all 6 products, there's only one product that is a little bit of a higher price point, but you can also get a smaller size to make it a little bit more affordable if you wanted to try it out. So we'll jump in with product number 1. And I will also say that 2 out of the 6 products are new to me for this year, but everything else I have used for several years. So product number 1 is the EOS Shea Butter 24-Hour Moisturizer. My goodness, you guys, this is such an amazing lotion. I use this all over my body, and I can't believe what a difference it makes to my skin, how soft my skin is. It leaves it so moisturized. I love how it is a lightweight formula. It does not feel greasy at all. Now, this one does have a little bit of a scent to it, so it's called Coconut Waters. There was another one that went viral. I actually prefer this scent than the viral one. I think that one was called Vanilla Cashmere. This is absorbing so quickly into the skin right now. So if you have a sensitivity to fragrances, then you may want to skip this one. I think it just smells like a tropical vacation, to be honest with you. And I find that the scent, it does dissipate throughout the day. It's not like it's like a strong scent at all that stays on your skin. This has been such a wonderful product for my dry skin. My skin tends to get drier in the fall, winter months, and this has just been such a game changer. I have not had any of the really dry patches that I usually do, especially on my elbows. I find my elbows and my knees get really, really dry, and I have not had any issues like that at all so far this fall season. It did get an Allure Beauty Award. So if you are looking for a fantastic body lotion, this is a great one. Oh, and I did want to mention to you, just reading the back of the packaging. So it is a cruelty-free product, dermatologist recommended, paraben-free, gluten-free, and vegan. And it's made with creamy coconut, lush hibiscus, and solar musk. That's what gives it that just amazing, amazing scent. All right, so if you're familiar with any of my videos, this next product is not going to be a shocker for you. Now, this is the product I said that is a little bit of a higher price point, but you can get a smaller version to try out. And it's the Merit The Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. This has done such an amazing job for my skin, and I think it would be fantastic for anybody that has mature skin. Now, this one comes as a 50 ml, but you can get a smaller version. I think it's 15 mils. And that one would still last you a while, because this one lasts me like a long time. I'm just finishing up this one here. I have my next one ready to go. The only thing, I guess, with when it starts getting down to the nitty gritty, so you can kind of hopefully see right on the, just down here, I have a little bit left. it can't get into the pump. So all I end up doing is, because you can see here, it's like a pump dispenser. I usually end up unscrewing the whole thing, and then I just put some into the palm of my hand. But when there's enough product in the bottle to use the pump, I usually use just like 2 little squirts in my hand, and that does my whole entire face. So this is a very lightweight formula. I find it has helped improve my hyperpigmentation because it has niacinamide in it. And it's also contributing to my skin having some brightness. There is quite a few of my viewers mention in the comments, and they'll mention something about my skin looks really glowy that day, or what have I used on my skin. And this is the product I use probably 5 to 6 times a week. I do have my e.l.f. that I use. I try to incorporate that in as well, but this is the one that I primarily use on my skin. It does have a hyaluronic acid complex, which is going to seal in the moisture on my skin. Does not feel as dry. And it also has cacao seed extract, which is a caffeine-rich antioxidant, which is stimulating the blood flow to help with the plumping effect. And I find that makes a huge difference as well. There's no like a residue on my skin. I use it as a first step, and then I go in with my moisturizer and my sunscreen. This is also vegan and cruelty-free. Merit is a minimalistic company, so they put great ingredients in their products. And I've been using this one for years. I have not found anything else that is as good as this. Now, instead of making this a particular product, I'm going to, in quotation marks, call it a category. So a hero product would be either an eyeshadow stick or a liquid eyeshadow. Now I have a bunch of eyeshadow sticks and liquid eyeshadows, but I find that there isn't a great deal of liquid eyeshadows from the drugstore. Affordable ones. I have a Lancome one, and I also have Makeup by Mario one. I have those ones, but they're a little bit higher price point. Well, the one at the drugstore is by NYX, and this is the NYX Ultimate Glow Shots. This is such a fabulous little product that I don't see a lot of people talking about, quite honestly. This is in the shade Mango something, Mango Moment. There is a bunch of other shades, but I thought this one was so pretty. It's like a rose gold. Isn't that gorgeous? So it's a stick applicator. You can apply this directly to your eyelid like I did today, or you can put it on the back of your hand like this and use your finger, dab it on. Many different ways you can use this. Now what I usually like to do is apply it to my eyelid, and then I just take like a really fluffy eyeshadow brush, blend it in. But that is all I have. I'll come a little closer. That is all I have on my eyelids today. Just this product. What I like about this one in particular is it does give you a bit of a shimmer. Like it's not a glittery shadow, but it leaves like a little bit of a glow on the eye. And that's why it is the perfect one and done. It's very lightweight on the eye. You can build it up if you want a little bit more of a color. The thing I like about liquid eyeshadows is there's no flaking. This one in particular, I don't have any issues with it fading either. And I don't prep my lid before I apply this. I just throw it right on. I've worn this in the summertime when it was really hot and humid. Didn't have any issues with it fading on me. You can use it in different ways as well. You can either just use it by itself, or you can use it as a base and apply like a powder eyeshadow on top of it. Surprisingly, it has vitamin C in it as well. And with it being NYX, it's also a cruelty-free company. It's vegan. Honestly, I think this is like the best little one and done eyeshadow from the drugstore. All right, so we'll jump back into another skincare product. You know that I'm a big believer in sunscreen every single day, even on a cloudy day. I think sunscreen is just one of those things you should be using 365 days a year. Well, a great affordable one from the drugstore is by e.l.f. This is the Sun Touchable Invisible Sunscreen. It is an SPF 35. I use this one double duty because it has some primer qualities to it. It does help blur my pores around, especially around my nose. It is comparable to the Supergoop Invisible Sunscreen, but at a fraction of the price. It is a clear formula. And all I can say when I use it is it feels like velvet. Like it is a velvety, smooth product. It just melts into the skin. It doesn't leave any sort of a residue. With it being e.l.f., it is a cruelty-free company as well. This does such a great job under my makeup, and it saves me that step. I'm getting the effects of my sunscreen product, but I'm also getting the benefit of having a primer. And it is a broad spectrum SPF 35. And I like how it's a gel. Like you saw on my skin, it was a gel formula. It's not a lotion, so it's not going to leave any sort of a white cast on your skin. It's great for all skin types. It doesn't have any sort of fragrance to it. It does have aloe in it, so that's great for your skin as well. So definitely one of my favorite, most affordable sunscreens from the drugstore. Now, a new cleanser in my routine that I discovered this year, and I'm so happy I did, is La Roche-Posay. This is the Toleraine, but it is the gel double cleanser. So this is a foaming gel. And this does an amazing job of removing all of my makeup at the end of the night. And it saves me the step because it is a double cleanser. What I've had to do in the past is use like a balm type of formula and like a balm cleanser. And I would put that on and then I would go in with my other cleanser. I do a lot of double cleansing just to make sure that all of my makeup is being removed. But this saves me the step because it is doing that job for me. This is especially good for sensitive skin. My skin doesn't ever feel irritated. It doesn't feel like it's being stripped. Sometimes, I don't know if you've ever had that when you use a cleanser and it almost feels like tight. Your skin feels tight after. I never have any issues with this. My skin feels so super soft after using it. I mean, I've gone through almost half of this one. I've got my next one ready to go here. It was on sale, so I thought, well, I'm going to be using it, so I may as well pick it up while it's on sale. This is soap-free. It's sulfate-free. I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll see if I can get some lather going. So it's just a clear. There's no fragrance to it at all. So you can see here, can you see how my hands are a little bit white? So what I'm going to do instead is I still have some of that eyeshadow on the back of my hand. So I'll show you how it will remove it very easily. So I'm just going to I'll put some in this hand. This also maintains your skin's pH level, which is really, really important. And it also does have niacinamide in it. So I'm just going to, you can see here how easily it just removed all of that eyeshadow. It's gone. And you really don't need a lot of it in order to remove your skin products, whatever you have on, whether it's makeup or just your sunscreen, all that sort of stuff. You just need like a quarter size amount. And that's enough for me to make sure everything is being removed. So I'm quite amazed at this. Okay, so this is the next section I'm going to put in as a category. I love lip products, whether it is a lip oil, whether it is a lip balm. But the ones that I always gravitate to, which are so super affordable, are the ones by e.l.f. The e.l.f. Glow Reviver lip oils. I recently picked up a new shade called Honey Talks, and I did show you a new shade. I think it was my last video. They have come out with plumping ones now, which are very, very good. But I picked up this shade because I thought it would be wonderful for like a fall winter look, and it did not disappoint. So that's what I actually have on today. What I did was I lined my lips with my Maybelline the Lifter Liner in the shade Line Leader. That's the lip liner. And then I paired it with the new lip oil. And this is the shade it came up with. There's so many reasons I love these lip oils. The price point is amazing. They are very glossy, but they don't have that gumminess that like a lip gloss does. Like sometimes you can get some really stringy kind of lip glosses, but the nice thing about a lip oil, especially these ones, is they just don't do that on my lips. They smell like peppermint, and it has a huge doe foot applicator. All the different shades give a very unique lip color to your lips. I'm going to put some more on. I mean, it's a lip oil, so they're not lasting like 12 hours. But the e.l.f. ones in particular do last a fairly long time, like 3-4 hours, at least on my lips. But you can see how glossy they look. Very comfortable. This is what I do a lot of days. I just fill in my lip with some lip liner, throw a lip oil on, and see what color I can create that day. This one does have quite a few different shades. I find them to be very hydrating, very nourishing for the lips. You can wear these by themselves. You can wear them over lipstick. And it's surprising to me how many companies have really jumped on the bandwagon for lip oils. I have, again, so many different brands and types, but if you're looking for a great affordable one, the e.l.f. ones do not disappoint. So I hope you enjoyed this video and a little glimpse into some of my, I call them hero products, products that I absolutely cannot live without. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. I always love to hear from you guys. Everything that I talked about today will be linked and listed down below in the description box. Stay tuned for my year-end review videos. I'm super excited for these ones because there was some really good products this year. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you're not already. And as always, I hope everybody has a great week and a great life, and I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye!